Hey everyone, this is our good, bad, and ugly car horn. This is our button version of the horn. It comes with a button, which is included. Now we've got this horn facing down, and it's pretty loud, and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Quick and easy installation. Your black wire comes from your horn to go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery, just anywhere you got good ground. And then your red wire comes from your horn to go to a 12-volt power source. Could be your battery, a fuse, just anywhere you've got a good 12-volt power source. Then you just run your yellow wire from your horn to one side of the button, which is included. And you simply just run another 12-volt wire to the other side of the button, and you're good to go. So this is a good, bad, and ugly car horn.